How to add clickable checkbox in PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a clickable checkbox in PDF document using Adobe Acrobat. In order to do so, first of all, launch your Adobe Acrobat application on your device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Now from here, you can open the PDF document where you would like to add the checkbox. Or you may also click on the Create button at the top left and then select the Open Files option from the pop-up. Now select a document from your device. Once selected, you will be taken to this page. Now here at the left side, you will be able to locate different options. Simply click on this e-sign option and now here you'll be able to see request e-signatures option. You will need to click on it and then here enter the name of the people or their email ID. If you are adding your own email, then you will need to add a new email too. After that, click on the specify way to sign button at the bottom and then wait for a few seconds. After that, you will be taken to this page. Here once it is completely uploaded, you'll be able to see this interface. Here now you will need to simply click on it and then from here select the three dots and then select Set as Checkbox. Once doing that, you will see the checkbox has been added. Now you can simply right click on it. You can also resize it as per your choice. Now adding the checkbox, make sure the Advanced Editing option is toggled on. You will be able to see this option at the top left. Simply click on the toggle button to turn it on and after that you will be able to see some more options here. Now you can right click on the checkbox that you have added and then select Edit option. Now here you'll be able to see this pop-up and inside the pop-up there you'll be able to locate default value. Simply click on this on check option and then select the checked option. After that click on the OK button. After that you will see you have successfully added the clickable checkbox in the PDF using Adobe Acrobat. And if you would like to uncheck this box, you can simply repeat the same process. Simply click on it, select the edit option and then select this default value, click on it and select the next option. By doing so, you'll be able to remove the tick mark. So by following these steps, you should be able to add a clickable checkbox in a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.